LIMS Nucleus by Laboratory Automation Solutions. In this video, we'll learn how to navigate the LIMS Nucleus interface. Go to labsolutions.com, download, select Evaluation. You can perform a local installation using Docker if your desktop is Linux, or use the online instance of LIMS Nucleus. The username and password are both demo. This will take you to the project page. LIMS Nucleus works with a series of nested entities. The highest level entity, a project, contains plate sets which contain plates. High-level entities like projects, plate sets, and plates each have a dedicated page that includes a tool icon that contains activities appropriate to that entity. LIMS Nucleus is preloaded with some example data. Certain projects contain plate sets only, others are loaded with assay data and hit lists. Projects 4 through 9 are empty and can be used for practice. I'll start with Project 1, which contains assay runs and hit lists. Click on the hyperlink to drill into Project 1. You can see that it contains 3 plate sets. Scroll down to see the associated assay runs and hit lists. Most activities are performed on plate sets, so the plate set tool icon contains a large number of options. Drill into a plate set and then into a plate to see well details, including sample ID. Accession IDs appear here when imported. Click on the Assay Run hyperlink to drill into assay details. In this view, we are looking at normalized data where a threshold has been set that is the mean of the negative controls plus 3 standard deviation units. This provided 78 hits. Assay response is sorted in descending order and color-coded by sample type. The plate layout is viewed by clicking on the Layout hyperlink. We can see that we are utilizing Layout 1, which has no replication for samples or targets. View the pages discussing layouts and replication for more information. Since a user will spend a majority of their time in one project, the main navigation menu has been equipped with a hyperlink that will take you to the top of the current project. A browser cookie is set when a project is chosen, allowing you to quickly navigate to the plate set list from any position in the project. To change the favored project, just select a new project from the project menu. The Help menu item in the main menu is context sensitive. For example, if you're on the Layout page, the Help link will take you to the Help page discussing plate layouts. To utilize a tool menu item, you first must select the entity to which it will be applied. Not all selections make sense. For example, to group plate sets, you need to select 2 or more plate sets. Actions that create new instances of entities will prompt you for descriptive information. If an action involves importing data, you will be presented with a sample of the first few lines of the import file. Note that column, label, spelling, and capitalization are critical for all imported data. Warning messages will attempt to diagnose formatting problems for you. There are tutorials in the Help manual to help familiarize you with the features and operations of LIMS Nucleus. If you have questions as to the suitability of LIMS Nucleus for your process, contact us at info@labsolutions.com.